In this whole month I was making videos every single day, shooting, writing, editing, and I got sick because throughout this month I was just making videos and thinking about my videos. I never thought about my body and my life, because when consistency is important, that time we know every time we are just thinking about no, I don't want to stop my consistency. So that's the reason. But I got sick, and I realized that what is the thing that we should do, and to maintain our consistency and also focus on our health. But we don't think about it much, about our body so much. But whenever we got sick and we hospitalized, that time we realized that our health, like how crucial it is, how important our health. We want to just stop everything at that time and start focusing on our health. That God, I'm very thankful for my body, just please make me healthy. So this is happening every time. You also have lot of things, lot of works in throughout the day, and also lot of us also don't have enough time to give ourselves and focus on our health. But this is important, this is crucial. And even when consistency is important to do in work, like in my case, consistency is very important. So that time, like what we could do, and what I did, I will tell you in this video. So but before, my name is Rahul. I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. Watch this video till the end. If you find this video likable and valuable for you, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and watch this video, because I never add any cuts in my videos. So this would be most like raw and real video. So what I did actually yesterday's early morning at 15 o'clock, I was shivering, and I had a fever at that time. And that time I start thinking that, oh my God, what would happen if I I don't make video today, and for due to my fever. But what I did at that time, I start affirmations, and I was just said, I am healthy, I am healthy, I am healthy, I am healthy, I am, again and again I was saying. And I know that time I was also realizing that no, this is not reality, this is not reality. You are sick at that time. Why you are saying another words, and you don't that, because I was not healthy at that time. But I pushed myself to say this word, and I realized that within 5 or 7 minutes I went sleep, and I woke up around 5:30, and my first thought was, I am healthy. Even that time also I was not healthy, but my first thought was, I am healthy. And then I took a medicine and I start working. And I tell you guys, affirmations always works. But this is not a thing that I am gonna tell you. This would be a most productive video for you. So throughout our days, or we all are doing so many unnecessary works that even we don't need to do them, but we are doing. We are watching tons of reels, we are watching videos, or we are talking some toxic person and argue with them. A lot of things we are doing, even we don't want to do. We should not do this, and we don't need to do this, but we are doing. Every time we are avoiding and neglecting our body and just focus on what's happening in our life. But we don't think what's wrong happening within ourselves, with our body, with our mind, within our mind. So what I did is I made a table in my diary, and I wrote that I wrote my every work, like what I have to do throughout the day. My first work is shooting and editing and making thumbnail, so this is my first priority. And second is writing a script, thinking about a new topic. And third one is my practicing my English communication. And fourth one is replying your comments. So I shortlist my every work that I want to I have to do throughout the day. So I make this. And if you shortlist your work, that time you will realize that what is the work which is very very important for you to do. And also my mistake was also this, that I was not taking breaks in between my editing or writing or whatever I can say. In editing I was feeling very exhausted sometimes. Edit videos and some of you also understand that how hectic editing is. But so I decided to take breaks in every thing, not in shooting but in my editing. So I start taking breaks, and you also have to take breaks, guys, in our work. Every time we are doing this, that, and so many unnecessary things. But the thing is also, like, when you take break, don't use your phone. Whenever I also realized that sometimes when I took a break, and I was just start watching reels. I was lying down on my bed, I was start watching reels and videos, and I thought that that was a break, but that was not. The real break is you have to go in nature. You can lying down on a bed and just be calm, just be in the peaceful moment, and just focus on your breath. This is the real break. Okay, so break is very very important. We have to take breaks in our work. And make your priority list of what is the work which is very very necessary. And that time you will also clarify your thoughts and your work, that what is the work are you doing which is not necessary for you. I was also doing, I was watching reels which is not relevant to my work. So I was shooting, I am shooting my videos, editing, I start taking breaks. And when I write, my first thing is just I've done my first priority, and the second priority is writing. So throughout the day I start thinking about my writing. And for my third priority, which is English practice. So I was practice with my English partners usually, but nowadays I start I don't have enough time to talk to someone. But even I'm talking to you all, some of you, while I'm doing other works. So multitasking I am doing sometime. But I realized that I start for my English, I start converting my throughout the day, my whole routine work in English. I'm working, I'm doing something, I'm eating, I am I was looking somewhere. Every time I was just thinking in English. Okay, this is like this is this, like everything. Like I'm just converting my whole life in English. So this is I'm doing for my English. And when I was writing. And some of the time when I took breaks, in my breaks, some of the time I also replying your comments. So this is the thing that happening. But this thing made me healthy, because this is very important to shortlist and categorized our work. What is the main work that you should do, you have to do at any cost, because this would maintain your consistency. Shooting, editing, this is very important for me. Writing, very important for me. If someday I'm not practice my English, this is not a big deal. This would be not big deal, but if I don't shoot my video, this is gonna be a big deal. So I shortlisted my old works, and you can also do this, guys. This is very, very productive thing that I did, that you can do. And please, please, please focus on your health. Health is very, very important, and I early said that when we got hospitalized, that time we realized that, oh my god, our health is very, very important rather than any other work. So don't get hospitalized. Just focus on your health while doing something. Whatever you are doing a job, you are working, you are in a business, you are making videos, whatever. Just focus on your health, and take breaks, guys. Take breaks and be with yourself. Affirmations always works. I also told you in this video. If you are watching till now, it means a lot, guys. This is my life experiences, and every day, I'm sharing with you all. So, and I'm very happy you are appreciating me, and you are commenting so many adorable and so enticing comments, and also such a lovely comments I'm receiving. So I'm very thankful. And if you want to talk to me, you can come on my Instagram. I know that I'm not having much time, but I would take time for you all, because you are important. Thank you so much for watching till now. Hit the like button, subscribe button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.